Hi, hello! I am Teacher Jay and I am Teacher Ryan, and we are going to teach you about how to solve addition and subtraction of unlike fraction using Boom Boom Pow!
The Boom Boom Pow from online book Maths the Wacky Way by Claire Gallagher is a strategy where you can solve addition and subtractions of unlike fraction in a very easy way. And there are 3 steps to follow to solve adding or subtracting unlike fractions. Step 1, boom. Step 2, boom. And step 3, pow. The 3 steps are boom, boom, and pow.
But first, let us remind you on how to add and subtract like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are fractions that have the same denominator. As you can see, 3/8 plus 1/8 have the same denominator, 8. What you have to do is just add the numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4. And copy the denominator, 8. And then you just simply divide and you will get 1/2. And that is the answer. Now, let's have subtraction. Just as the same, we have the same denominator 8, so you have to perform the operation. 3 minus 1 is 2, and copy the denominator, 8. 2 divided by 8 is 1/4. That is the answer. Now, let us take some details of the steps of Boom Boom Pow. Remember, this is for unlike fractions, meaning they don't have the same denominator. First step is boom. What you have to do is to multiply the denominator on the right fraction to the numerator of the left fraction. And this is important. You have to follow the arrow. This time, the arrow points to the upper left fraction. You have to write your answer on the upper left. Okay? The second step is boom. Now this time, you have to diagonally multiply the denominator on the left fraction to the numerator on the right fraction. Remember to follow the arrow. The arrow is pointing to the upper right. You have to write your answer on the upper right. Now the third step is the pow. You just simply multiply both the denominator. Now let's have an example. A over b plus c over d. First step is the boom. Now, don't forget, the arrow is pointing to the upper left. So you have to write your answer on the upper left. D times a is ad. Next step, boom, b over c. The arrow is pointing to the right. So you have to write your answer on the right. C, b. Now the third step is the pow. You have to multiply b and d. And you will get b, d. And just copy the operation, which is addition. Now let's put some numbers. 3/7 plus 2/5. First step, boom. 5 times 3 is 15. Boom. 7 times 2 is 14. Pow! 7 times 5 is 35. Now let's add the numerator. 15 plus 14 is 29. Copy the denominator, 35. And this is the answer. Let's have subtraction. 6/11 minus 1/5. Let's perform the steps. Boom! 5 times 6 is 30. Boom! 11 times 1 is 11. Pow! 11 times 5 is 55. Now 30 take away 11 is 19. Copy the denominator. This is in lowest term. So this is the answer. Let's review the steps. Boom! Multiply diagonally to the upper left. Second is boom. Multiply diagonally to the upper right. And the third is pow, which is you have to multiply horizontally.
And there you have it! Just remember the actions of boom, boom, pow!
And you will nail your test. Again, I am Teacher Ryan.
And I'm Teacher Jay saying,
Boom, boom, pow! Bye-bye!